rationals. We're going to apply the properties of rationals, specifically translations. Monday, Tuesday, we talked about shifting it left and right. So today we're going to talk about shifting it up and down. If you remember, this is our format, A, H, and K. Bless you. H is what we did last time, left and right. Today we're talking about K, up and down, okay? But you tell me, what is the vertical asymptote? So what do we always put for a vertical line for the equation? X equals, okay? So for a vertical asymptote, for a vertical equation, you always put X equals. And in this case, what does X equal? Where does it hit the X axis?
2.
At 2. So make sure you write that down. The vertical asymptote is X equals 2, okay? Then, horizontally, from left to right, what do we always start that equation with? Y equals, and what Y value does it go through right here?
0.
0 would be on the line. It's right above it at 1, okay? Now, this is old news. This is stuff we did the last couple of days. But, remind me, what about the domain and range? What's going to be different about this? We slash out the equals because it can be anywhere, just not on that line, on the asymptote. So for domain, I'm going to put what? X.
X equals.
Kind of.
X
not equals.
not equals. 2. Yeah.
Not equal to 2. And then the range. Y is not equal to 1. So we had that on the warm-up yesterday and in the notes the last couple of days. Okay. So now this is going to be this is not hard. Okay? We're just going to talk about vertical change now, and then you'll have some time to practice. Listen. When we finish the notes today, you'll have time to either do the on your own, or if you need to finish the assignment from yesterday, you can do that. Right? You don't want to write on my calculators with the pencil. You know what I'm saying? That's how you go to AHS. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. All right, here we go. Okay, is everyone looking up here? Again, the more we focus, the more we don't have headphones in our ears in the back. Okay, that can help us out a lot. You know what I'm saying? Without phones in our hand over there. Hey, yeah, you. Now, the front side of your notes, we already went over this 2 days ago. Okay, we know what a vertical asymptote is. We know what a horizontal asymptote is. This is the format. So just go ahead and flip it over. We're just going to do 2 examples together of changing K. Now, I will point out right here, does everyone see how K is off to the right? It's not below where in the H, where H is, and heck, it's over here off to the right. Okay, this is where K is. So notice on number 1, you see how it says 1 over X and then the plus 4 is after the fraction? That's a K value. That means it's going to go up or down. Now, remember, H on the bottom was a lie, but K is not a lie. Everyone with me? K does not lie, and it's up or down. So let's think about this. If I have 1 over X plus 4, what's my K value? 4. Does that mean it? Yes, it is positive. And does that mean it goes up or down? Up, because K is not a lie. Okay. Oh, I skipped step 1. So what we're going to do is we are going to graph the parent function of a rational. You might remember it from the last 2 days. Let's go ahead and draw the original parent function. It has 2 parts. It's got bottom left and top right. Is everybody graphing this? So we're on the second page, first graph. You're going to graph the parent function. We're doing the notes, yes. And then this 4 is my K.
Example 1?
Example 1, yes. So here's the deal. Step 3, is we need to graph the new function. We're just going to move it up 4. So think about it this way. This horizontal asymptote, we're going to shift it up 4. Put a dashed line 4 above it. So I'm going to draw my new horizontal asymptote up here. If it only moved up, it didn't move left to right, so I'm going to write my vertical asymptote on the y-axis. It's going to stay there. Okay, so now here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this drawing and draw another one 4 up. Okay, so it's going to look like 2 pairs of those curves. Here we go. There's that. And there's that. So look at what I'm pointing at. Here's the original. Here's the new one. Okay, just shift it up 4. Cool. Everyone's drawing that?
What are the equations for that look like?
Just draw it. If you haven't drawn this, please. What?
What are the equations for that?
Okay. So everyone drew the parent original and the new one up 4. Okay. Now, this is like the warm-up. Can we get the vertical and horizontal asymptote? So, okay. So what's the vertical asymptote always start with? What does it start with? Not 4. Not a number. No number. X equals, and now, think about it. Vertically, it's on the axis, going straight through the middle, so that's 0. What is the horizontal asymptote? Start with y equals, thank you. Y equals what? And then y equals the number you said earlier. Yes, now it's 4. Yes, Jeff Davis. So x equals 0 vertically. Y equals 4. And could you give me the domain and range if I ask for it? Just flash them, right? Okay, so let's do that on step 6. What do I put for domain? X is anywhere but 0, so x is not equal to 0. Range, y is anywhere but 4, right? So, do you understand how vertical shifts work? Who said no? Oh, okay. Let's do another one together. No. So, hold on. Please. This is it. Now, step 1, can you graph the parent, the original? Okay, then do it. You just said yes. Don't play. This ain't no playground. Ain't no jungle gym. Ain't no Peter Piper pizza. Okay, now, has everyone drawn the parent function on number 2, example 2? This ain't like the other school, you gotta do it. All right. Now, what is k? So look right here on the equation. What's the k value? What do you think? 3? Wrong. -3. Okay. K is not a liar. So whatever you see there, you have to write it. So -3 or -3. Does that mean it's going to go up or down? Okay, that's it. It is down 3. So kind of like we just did, we need to draw a new horizontal asymptote down 3. Exactly. H underneath is a lie. K off to the side, no lie. H is left and right. K is up and down. Okay. So I'm going to put my new horizontal asymptote at -3 dash down here. It didn't shift left or right, so I'm going to keep my vertical asymptote on the axis. All right, and then step 3, I need to redraw this 3 down using these asymptotes right here. So let's do that. Okay, so I kind of did that real quick. Does everyone see where I'm pointing? The original, down 3. The original, down 3. So let's write our new asymptote. Okay, it is x equals 0 on the y-axis, and then for my horizontal, y equals -3. Okay, and then domain and range, we just take those asymptote equations and slash them. X, hold on, is not equal to 0. Y is not equal to -3. Now, I hope with those two examples, you get the idea of how to do this. So, what you want to do now, if you didn't finish yesterday's assignment, you want to work on that first, and then you can finish on your own. I want you to try finishing this notes packet out for me, please. You got stuff to do, not time to waste, especially if you ever were failing ever in your life. You want to make sure you stay above the bottom. I'm not. I want you to shoot higher. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on